ari mutumbika
kuri cyombe yatigere
nae goru ari
Nande no mugasomo yo mwanju muri ndonse soberde ngo kwari na SMS itu ya mangana Amayia karori litukuri ya chumaine chitariki 25 ne momotinyo no mwaka w'ijirwe ne 22 yango sababu no ire libageria bene koligeria mangana Ndizi TV tukumanyi na rero twagusangiri kuri ya kete gwika boni nyirana nabakwenda gutubwatia sensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News wega senseme ya YouTube na boko tonyora Ndizi TV News asenseme yo to tweet na boko to tweet @Ndizi TV News kerengel kiaoni otokyale ndikirenza kiridega we kwetera sinamba yera seskini ya gorabu na boko totomera ujumbe ya nyinge wetera sinamba yera seskini ko karanso ike ndengwerere haritwa kwariganira koruiri yanyi mocha sugusu amo nabosongo yora senseme yo murwe manyerio nigakorokwa chushouta niriane Brighton Makori. Abakenya nigo bagenderete kusankana samagajo yebunge nene hasirit kurarero kerori litukuria kabere ekero bago jikumwakera esiko yo mwali murayi gatatu bwenze ya Kenya nyagosira Emilio Mwai Kibaki aburi tukurigoro murayi bwenze uru Kenyatta nigara etaba Kenya aso kurigereria nako mwaesiko murayi nyagosira Emilio Mwai Kibaki kera koma maskani ya yo mwelio yo litukurero nigo litukuria kabere ekero banyo ekero abasikari usabanya nyimbo barushi mubirori asemoje lyali nako yoira gwikasa magajo yebunge eriyo kurigereria ko eriyo abakenya konyora libaga lya kabere gosiri baga lya bene nako mwakera kwaheli umosike Emilio Mwai Kibaki oyo abange batogire anenekeranyarete kahukini ebirengo bya uchumi asensito ya Kenya nebirengo bya masomo anenekeranyarete gakoreta mu rubiri ryo free primary education amo no mu rubiri rwe secondary asogosira kisemi gobono abakenya nigo bagenderete kurigeria umubere onyagosira oyo rengo murayo gatatu ya Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki asamagacho yebunge keri mu rubiri ya egendete kwariganirwa ekarago chi koenigwa rituko lya Jumamosi ali ase enkayaye ensemeli iyo otaya. Ekarto kutikana nai bono ni gotokwenda gwikase bunge ya Kitutu Masabe yera se bunge ya Nyamira asibono mu bunge bwenseme yo Sadrak John Mose anyarika kwena na yakanyandika kwena na chipesa cha CDF anegosira magendero ase enseme yo kaukwana aburitu kuri orekera bwatu kuti chipesa cha skuru nikatebetebna ine nchire yemo yogosira chisemi gose chiskuru anina sobwa gachi eriko kole mechando iri gendete ko busongira chiskuru ase jinga kechecho nigo anyarika hote abune serikali go jigosoa anerekera la somo buri Kenya kwanza nigera chikwena kimna ngogendereria magendero asensemeyo ya Kitutu Masaba
gona shugulikire korwa chibese CDF funds to my schools chirito tarasira muchibese bakolere pohol egare school ya kiabira enyora mache because bwa the problem ya mache to the handle tibia na begonjo konyore nga terakora. But I believe twins people as stakeholders and leaders we would support to ensure a CPC as succeed. Nyege netenge serikali yego chigojere go chimotuaiga mama tenje no mundo UDA go mura yone Dr. William Samoei Ruto nimanyete bune serikali yego chimotuga iga nenjere ritu asugumire na intu bune county Nyamira korwanirira tole kapisa omwaka oyo otaraera goso mwaka gogo chaka onyore na into anyorira at least a university as a county ya Nyamira.
Abamenyi begodi ya ibeno yera sebunga nyari bali chache nigo bono bamochiria barayi bense meyo nene kro batebuna barayi bari aschobi su kabono bara kora magendero ase enseme korengana barabo nigo batebuna chipara njiri gwete ka sense meyo anene nemeroberia chagetu si project ya chagetu ase enseme yukuru mwaka ujirubere na 15 nesato nigo etara korekana goika boniga sebano balire irabuna nigo chikobachora barayi baranyare bakoreta magendero ase enseme meyo
omwe musio twa chagito kwa Tom na chagito bise ye ward lakini kuru 2013 ward ye yanya kwera bono ega abantu baite ngo twa kubasaba bari wanja bachore abarayi babwata maroro nakitwara gusaba kujakira bono mwako yo bono ndoje tochora motienyo onane twara gusaba abantu baitu baibe no ward bachware omonto obwata maroro ntochora muna kuru 2013 paka bono iga no yo 2022
emiradi ya chagete kuru 2013 ama ene njanya gusuka ego toroche ngana bebwate challenges era chiward chinde chionse pi echirose ti paka obisi ye ward ye kaera lakini ye ward ya ibeno tianya gukura obisi ase miake yonsi yabe irange 15 barayi bachori bakora ase boniga twari gocha konyora umurayi umuyabwa magenderero egera agenderera ibeno yairanira ase chigwodi chionse pibono turasa oteba chia chigwodi chanyari bari chache ibeno nererense gekogera abarayi togochora ebakogenda mbari gotokorera emirimo twabachorera
ebinto bire nyandora gabi gochaka bikagati byatigerwororo muna bono yo tobwato mutangani na bachake tobisi akaye kigati akayetigo bakabono yabere munachicho no abantu bako yotumeka abantu no bakobeka no ene chabororo bono tosinyirenga ingi bako chakere binto batigera gati oyo kabera agajanera agachako obisi social liga nero toroje igete nchira nere tigeiro
ekerebya ma aho byarekana gutwara obuturutukano asobochorio bokebwibya mebyo nigo bone kiamage usaba bwatani bekiamage akanukuru sense moya elda marafin imeye county ya Baringo bono banyale bakomocho boteneri bwe kiamekyo anene ekaromo bakwemurunga na watabu no bochorio bokebwense meyo tibwa korekanide hasinjira yekene amo no bwasyu kukorenga no munyakero bobo Wilson Tunui nigo bona boli abateneri be kiamekyo anene asobisi anene banyale bakutugutera obachori arubwa korekana sense meyo yuri kwa mabaga abaraya baya gochorwa ni kiamekyo iruchukwirukia bendere yukulie biro asense meyo
kataa kukemea kutelewa kwa cheti cha Talam ambaye alipatiwa hivi juzi. Vitu tulikuwa na wakuombezi wawili, hatukuona kama ilifanyika kwa njia bora. Kwa hivyo zidi kama wanachama tunahitaji fair nomination. Na ikiwezekana gura irudiwe. Wafanye fair nomination katika Elda Ravine branch. Ifanywe mjujo. La pili, tuna appeal kwa NEC office wa nullify certificate ambao walipatia Talam.
Kwa jina naitwa Daniel Kipngetich Kiprop Arab Kaba, na mimi ni moja ya wale walionyesha kukompea kiti ya Elda Ravine katika chama cha KANU, na kwa kweli tumekuwa tukiendelea vizuri. Nimehusisha chama kuanzia branch na nikaeleza nia yangu ya kueneza agenda ya chama katika Elda Ravine, na tumekuwa tukiendelea vizuri, na tuliitwa kwa board interview tukafanya vizuri, na tukaambiwa tutahusishwa baada ya hawa kuongea na kupata majibu. Lakini kustuka tuliona kwa mtandao kuna mtu mmoja amepewa tikiti, alafu baada ya kupewa tumepigiwa simu kwamba mmoja ndio ameonekana ndio anafaa kukompea kiti kwa hiyo constituency ya Elda Ravine, na sisi tumeona hakuna haki ilifanywa kwa vile
Abandi anjoki korwa sense yaito ya Kenya ni gobona bandate komo cheke korukyo mo na nchukyo yo munyara kago itwa sense meri ya iten ni meye county ya Nandi asaburi tukuri goro bakora to kurobekana na koburia serikali kobeke mirori ya bene likwena kibna abandi anjoki bonse ya sense yaito ya Kenya ngobeke rwaro bolendi boisaine boigo ni banyare bakoburia serikali wetere byombe biri bya itenete obolendi kwena kibna bari bonse bakorete ekebeke ekerikagire buno muswati uyu Damalisi Mutei ni ganyarite kago itu na gotoka asenyombe ya senseme ya aiteni bono wabudia serikali kwango igokoro butukibwa bango ilikwenda kimuna obohene ngotoka burani gago jamaega yabanyanjukia bange kororkana bago itwa sensi itu ya Kenya anena banyanjukia basubati sibono baraitu gose abakorete korobekano kukwigoro baraitu na America time leofalo lagat abo nabamnyoki bande asibono banyo baborete serikali kwenda kimuno bolendi gokorokana burigo cyase abanyanjuki imyensi itu ya Kenya.
To the government to take action, because it will not be good every now and then at least be mourning and no any action that the government is taking. So let's say no to gender-based violence and also to the mental illness.
Joseph Njuguna, yes, I'm an athlete here in 18. Government of Kenya, they have to register every athlete all over the country. Every athlete must register as an athlete so that we can know who are the training, who are the comment, who are the business. We need to everyone. Every county in 47 county, every athlete must register as an athlete. Hiyo ndio kazi yao, wa register tujue wakimbiaji na ambao wanafanya shughuli zingine kando na hizo.
For the government, we have raised these issues about laws that should be strict. We also need offices, local offices that women can go to, because they feel like if they go to a police station, the perpetrators, they can bail themselves out and then continue killing athletes. So we need strict laws on if somebody is being violated and they go to police station, they should take that seriously, because we know of issues going on here in Iten where athletes report these issues and nothing happens. Somebody is out.
Definitely yoko yoro moteli boiga bange monyetebuna bahati ni gobona nyare kagwa kuno niga nyare kawate abuna tarigo jigwanjirana anenekere kyama gyachubiri nyarige kumuboli na nyare kagotiga eganga yayo kuri ekerugo asense meri ya matare kurengana nere ni gobona nyare kawate abuna ere konyora bwirure gojokonya abamenyi bense meri ya matare constituency uzebunge ya matare kurende nige kyombe ekyama gyachubiri buteni bwe kyama gyachubiri kyamurangirite na komotebuna kurengana na mangana ali amekana tebuna soni ni gobono yo kuri ekero ikwetera ekyama gya ODM airwe ticket yo chikurwanira gosa airwe enjera yo kwenda bosio iru chikurwanira ekero kibono nigabulye kyama gyachubiri kurigereria na kumwe ticket irigo chikurwanira na bakonya abantu bensemeyo.
Called me, they said I've fairly won the nomination and got the certificate, but it's about the zoning, and ODM claims that Mathare it is zone. So mimi ningeambiwa mapema basi mimi ni kwa Azimio, ningeambiwa you ndio the right candidate, because they know who is leading in polls and all that, and because Baba calls this his bedroom. I know and I strongly believe he understands that this current MP has done nothing for the people of Mathare. And Baba, because this is your bedroom, I believe you will not allow your people to continue suffering. And I request and beg and call upon you to instead tell the sitting MP to step down, for Mathare to be led by the people of Mathare.
Ebengi ya Equity ni gobono ya gendere go sira gisemi as university ao erigo kini birengo bigisemi anne sensemeri yekerero idimekeda na digital running kukwana as university ya Meru ekero bakiranide na kuruwa bakonyi wechisiringi chimilion isano nemo chimilion chimi isano nemo moteni bwebengi yen chamsi mwangi nigate betabune ne lenjere yemo yogo sira university anne kera borkiwa kuruwa university ejo ega university ya Meru amane university ya Nairobi banyara bagoshiriki gose bagoba asense osemami ose asikimira kyane kumibona Acton kyo kerete na abamyokuru asense amigo se bari bashiriketi asijigo sori ejumbanyarete bakwebera ebyegwa ebibono university ose bengiye kwiti yana nitabu litukiregoro as university ya Meru.
Innovation was more of removing bureaucracy in financial access and what it had been defined. And that we can see the power of innovation. These young people, you may want to call them what at Juakali, we never call them Juakali. This is our industries. These are our enterprises in Africa. And you can see 523 billion shillings have been trusted to young people. How many of them? 12 million. They may be taking 100,000, 40,000, but that's what they need for their furniture shop. They don't need millions. Innovations can be very, very profitable. We're the most profitable bank, not just in Kenya, but East and Central Africa. Innovation can be very, very profitable.
For Africa to be a global leader in innovation and technology, one of the ways that we need to figure out is how to work with our youth, especially the ones that are in higher education institutions. And this is because the bulk of the knowledge sits with them. So fostering innovation through programs such as hackathons, boot camps, gives the students an opportunity to practice what they learn and also work with industry on innovations that can help shape how our industries work.
Institutions of higher learning, ladies and gentlemen, nurture graduates equipped to join the global industry when companies such as Equity Group Holdings and Microsoft identify and invest in the need to open up their wisdom-filled doors to our students. The students now work with newfound knowledge, skills, and renewed minds fixated on the numerous opportunities available in the industry.
Ayuna na kwaranira se jinse jiga ko ninyora chikora ka jinse 14 kanyora yuamo na mankonenda ya utikira semese to ya mangana mahina alina mo teneri ose munyakero bubwe kyombegeri kyo bajori amo ne chimbebe AIBC wa faraje bukati ono ni gabaire ose ni gekyombeki kyaire bali bakurigekero kyo president go ikajitariki 15 nemo mutinyo go cyo mutinyo gatano kochora abakonyi babo ayuniga wikerana maega yebi maega ye byama komera na siri tukurara no gutware gikaro ne kyombekyo kyo bajoria mone chimbebe asibai wanana bae guchi wikibere erigo ikirania na kuira marieta yu ikase ekyombekyo lende jebukati ni ganyareka wate abuna marieta ali ibago chikoriye kero kyo bochumbe bali bakuriye kero kyo bogumenle na bo senator na bali bakuriye bio counter assembly zo bo MCA uikanyareka go ika ase kyombekyo chitariki 22 na isato ejichikare angiende umutinyo yoga gorende ono Raila na Ruto na bali bakuriye president ngo bairu chiwikibere chirebosyo erigo chikochora abakonyi baba hino twakorania sinse jiga korende chikora jinsa 10 tochikoretera yo amona mange twaroboririo buya yo lenga somo ndwe manyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umuguzi.